What's up guys, today I'm going to go through this new paper tear transition pack. It's now available to download, the link is in the description. It comes with 30 different styles of drag and drop transitions, which you can easily add to your video clips to give it that animated paper texture effect. So once you've installed the transitions, they should show up over here on the transitions tab on the right, and then scroll down to the paper tear v2 transitions. You'll find all of the presets in the folder here. You can also preview the transitions. If you just scroll over them, then it will give you a preview of how they look before you add them to the video. To add these to your video clip, you can either drag them on, or you can select end of one video clip and just double click on the transition and it will add that on. Some of them come with these drop zones, and we can actually just click on the drop zone, select a video clip on the timeline, and that will add a freeze frame of the video into position. And just in a few clicks, you can create a really cool paper texture montage effect. This pack also comes with some transition sound effects, which you can just drag and drop onto your timeline. So to add the sound effects, I have installed the sound effects over in my media over here, and I can just select one of these and import that into the timeline, line it up with the transition, and it's just going to bring the transition to life. And then if you select the transition up on the parameters, you have all of these different parameters that you can change to change the look of the transition. You can add a flash, you can change the scale of the photos, add some film grain if you want to. Moving on, let's have a look at another transition. I'm going to select the side of my video clip, double click it to bring it onto the timeline. So this is another cool one which splits the video clip into two and brings it onto frame. And for this one, I like to freeze frame the second video clip. So I'm going to select the second video clip, go to the middle of the transition, hold down Shift and press H. That's going to create this hold frame. And then I'm just going to cut the transition so that the hold frame meets the end of the transition. And that creates it like this cool photo to video effect. You can also speed up or slow down the transitions by just extending the transitions using the edge of it. And then what you can also do to create like a montage effect, you could overlap the transitions. So I'm going to bring my next video clip on top of this one, select the side of it, and just select a different transition. Let's go for this one, another split screen one. And let's also bring up this one. And let's add another effect to this. So now we really easily just created a montage of effects with just a few clicks, and transitions between multiple video clips just by overlapping them and adding the transitions. And that's just a few of the transitions. There's loads of other really cool transitions in this pack. So if you like the paper texture effect, then I highly recommend checking it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video.